Hi everyone and welcome to a new Adobe After Effects tutorial. I'll show you how to use 3D camera tracker. First go to the tracker panel, and if you don't see it, go to Window and select Tracker. Then select the clip, go to Tracker, and choose Track Camera. After then select the tracking points you want. And if you have a 3D object, select Create Null and Camera and parent the object to the null object. I select Create Text. And now we are ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.